Alright, what's that deal, YouTube? It's SRT Show, and we back with another banger. Today, I'm about to be letting my friend drive the Scat today. No cap. What's the deal, dog? Tell him your YouTube, bro.
So, CBR Tail, what's up? Just got into YouTube. Actually trying to transition into Mopar content, but just been riding motorcycles for a long time, so about to tap in.
But no, y'all, we about to get straight into the video, though. You ready, bro?
Hell yeah, bro. Let's get this shit.
Alright, let's get straight into it. Alright, y'all, we back. We in the cockpit now. You ready, bro?
Hell yeah, G. Let's get it.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah, start. Get on that motherfucker, bro.
Like I said, I ain't like shot to arts like V8s in general.
Right.
I grew up like driving like Rams and shit, but I never actually really had the chance to like drive like a sports car there again.
No, I feel it. But you about to drive one today, though. So, you know.
It, dog.
I gotta put my damn seat back. I can't even get a good angle.
Yeah,
right, there we go.
I'm trying to scare you, bro.
Alright, but nah, go to the go right.
Hell yeah, I
I'm
got
gonna go right.
Oh yeah, the brakes is fucking perfect, bro. Like I came from like driving like a damn Honda that had like some like sensitive ass brakes.
No, I feel it.
Now I'm trying to like watch my profanity also. Let's get it. I was telling myself this whole time, I was like, I'm gonna be turkey.
Dog talk about turkey. Yeah, I got an eco mode right now, so we gonna start your on eco mode, and then we gonna put it like, you know, like street.
Fancy, yeah, okay.
Yeah, we gonna go even higher for him.
Bro, this is literally.
Oh shit!
This is crazy as fuck.
What's crazy, bro?
For this to be, what type of like, how much horsepower is that? See, like just the normal delivery for eco.
485, or actually I don't know. That is, I just know they cut it in half because it's like the cylinders go to like 4. Yeah. If you like go to your economy thing, you can like have it to like 4-cylinder depending on how you drive it, or 8-cylinder. But my shit usually stay in eco mode unless I'm making videos like today.
No, that's fine. Overall, it's comfortable as hell. Feels stable.
Yeah, I'm about to take you somewhere you can hit this bitch. You go to the go get over.
Yeah.
And just keep going straight.
Bro, I know what you're talking about when you say you hear that little whine.
Yeah, it's like a subtle whine. Like, I don't know. That should be sounding cold.
Definitely like a little hint of it, for sure, for sure.
Oh God.
Wait, did you want to do like that roundabout?
No, I'm gonna let you know. Just keep going.
Okay.
Damn, you see how sensitive the brakes are? If you hit that shit even a little bit, that shit gonna like jerk.
I'm so used to my motorcycle took around like I give it just that 30% that yeet, just that good enough.
Right. But no, man, tell them what you're gonna be having on your channel though.
But no, on my channel, definitely gonna have a lot of tutorials. I actually have a tutorial coming up, actually how to ride, and then I also have kind of like a little funny idea.
Oh look, ain't that a C8?
Yeah, that actually is a C8.
That shit hard as fuck.
Fire, bro. No, that's definitely a dream. But just motorcycle content. Next year coming Scat. I'm actually gonna drop a slim body.
Slim body's hard. I fuck with the slim bodies. They got them snorkels on it. My shit ain't got no snorkels. All right, bust the right. Bust the right.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, just don't worry, man. My tire's bald as hell. I gotta give me a little rotation. So.
No, that's all cool. I got you.
After I get the rotation on, I'm about to get fucking 315s. After I burn out the front tires.
Yeah, it'd be so worth it because I'm like, man, you get all the traction you can.
Oh God, that way I'm not burning through cash and shit. I'm not gonna lie, it's crazy because 305s cost way more than 315s. Like, I don't know why that is, but
I want to say they actually got a new package coming out for like the stage tunes. Actually Dodge themselves for
what, they direct connect?
Yeah, direct connect.
Yeah, they took that shit away for the Scatpacks. Fuck them. I would have got that shit too. All right, get on there a little bit.
Okay. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? That was only like, I'll tell you, I never even went over in this car. Holy bro, it snatched you like a fucking ghoul, bro.
Here, get over on this side a little bit.
Yes, sir. Yeah. I'm gonna drive with 2 hands also. Alright. I'm gonna take it. Oh! Okay, that's addicting. Let me slow the fuck down. That is really addicting.
Man, fuck them Ford Explorers, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I keep thinking them fucking cop cars and shit. Like, everybody and their mom got one, bro. I do not fuck with them.
I definitely got my eye out for them.
Challenger?
Yeah, Challenger.
Shit, it feel heavier to turn. Like, this car is very heavy to turn. Like,
Make it up for these motorcycles.
damn, it's a lot of them motherfuckers. Oh, no, it's not. It's only 2 of them. It's only 2 of them. But no, like, not really. Like, I mean, it is a lot. It is a lot of differences. But like, I'm gonna probably make a video. Like, it's just too much to like explain. I don't know how to really describe that shit. But I mean, this car feel heavier to turn. That shit felt light as hell to turn. But maybe because it's just the RT. I don't know. I have no clue.
For sure, louder inside.
Well, I mean, yeah, it all really depends for real. Like, it all really depends.
I mean, it's solid.
Here come a tunnel. I'm gonna let you hit the tunnel a little bit.
I got you.
Put it on a little bit. Actually, you can keep yours up.
All right, for sure.
So the windows. I'm gonna take it out of eco mode. So be careful, man.
Yeah. No, I literally promise.
I don't give a fuck. Just be careful. This bitch might spin out because I ain't got no tires.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
You could have hit it, bro. You would have been fine.
Nah, I just had to get a little taste of it, like I said. I want to ease into it, like I said.
Man, you barely even hit under the tunnel. You gonna have to do that again. No cap.
Alright, for sure. Bro, if you, alright, you know what? Alright, I'm gonna stop being turkey. I'm gonna enjoy it. Thanks for, bro. Oh, shit. Yeah, let's get the fuck on. I'm gonna just get the fuck on real quick.
Alright, go to, shit, depending on where this car, actually, no, bust the left. Bust the left. We're gonna bust the left right here.
Alright, for sure.
Yeah, bust that left.
Careful right here.
Alright, these are bendies, so be careful.
For sure.
Alright, as soon as this car passes. Alright, and we get past these train tracks, yeah.
Alright,
I'll let you hit it.
You ready?
Wait for the train tracks, Alright, you can go. Hit that bitch.
Man, it just put a fucking smile on your face, like, instantly. It's literally like riding a motorcycle.
No,
Yeah.
God.
I understand now. Like, it's ridiculous. Look, man, yeah, we got enough gas. We good.
Here, bust.
You wanna go over to the right?
Nah, bust the left.
Okay.
But you gonna have to wait.
Okay, yeah, wait for this.
Yeah, just wait.
Yeah, we clear on this side. Wait, we gotta wait till those two.
No, you can go. You can go.
My bad, G. Like I said, I just wanted to try it.
Oh, you saying my bad? You straight. I just told you it was ball tires, so if you spin out, then that's on you.
Nah, it wasn't like I literally had I knew
Ball
exactly.
tire, man. The only thing, yeah. If I didn't have ball tires, man, it would be different because like you would be sticking, but like I got super ball tires, so you literally gonna slide everywhere you go.
Bro, you gonna see a big difference when I actually do get mine. So like you gonna be like, oh yeah.
But this sun bright as hell.
Extra comfortable.
All right, go through. Go to the right.
Oh, that tunnel.
Yeah.
We can get it real quick.
Turn the camera around so you can see this tunnel action.
Ready?
My nigga.
No, that was fire, bro.
No, that shit was lit.
Yeah, that was fire.
That shit was lit as hell, bro. No cap.
Priceless, man. Especially on a down day like this, man.
No, it is pretty nice.
I'm like, shit. Either I'm gonna come that cinnamon stick, or I'm actually thinking about the Hemi orange edition.
Oh yeah. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I want another Challenger. I don't know why, but I want like a narrow body cat. I don't want no wide body cat. I want a narrow body cat Challenger.
You give me inspiration, real talk, from a person that don't even have a fucking Scatpack, literally. So
All right.
definitely.
No, you gonna get your scat though. It's all right, bro.
For sure.
Whatever you want, you gonna get. Like, it's gonna take some time, but you gonna get that shit for sure.
I was gonna say shit. Is there any other type of like content you wanted to like see as far as kind of like just other POV?
Shit for me or you?
You,
Shit. I I mean, I'm probably gonna do some mod videos, but you know, I gotta get my cheese up, so you know. But I got a lot of mod ideas, so I'm just saving it for when I get monetized, you know. Like, I'm saving it. So
no, you all good.
Yeah.
I'm waiting on another day. Like I said, I got that other mount that we can mount. Oh shit, right here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Thank God for Brimbos. Like how you say.
No, on God. But no, man, how you like it, bro?
Bro, phenomenal. It's like literally speechless.
Speechless, man. What was your favorite part? Besides driving it in fucking eco mode and fucking street mode. Next time I'm gonna let you probably drive it in track mode. That'd be an interesting ass video.
Being real and just seeing like already enough power delivery, this being a 400, almost 500 power, like horsepower car.
Yeah.
I know I kind of messed it up just a little bit, but I'm just thinking like, yo, with the 305s, you're already set. You're good enough. Like, you don't really need all the extra. But
Yeah.
It's fire though. I definitely recommend. So if you sit on it, hey, put your mind on it. I am too.
Man, y'all heard it just from him, bro. No cap. But no, man, tell him your socials.
Oh yeah, you can find me at Chronic Tigo on Instagram, also on Snapchat, Ballin' My Tigo.
Man, make sure y'all follow me on the gram at srt.show. And make sure y'all subscribe too, man. Make sure y'all sub to the channel, man. We almost at 1,000 subs. We at 708 right now, so make sure y'all hit that sub button. Other than that, man, I'm gonna catch y'all boys later though.